Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately, Gemini. Gemini is a new AI model from Google that's been making a lot of headlines. And one of the most common questions I get is, am I going to get my money back from Gemini? Well, the answer to that question is not so simple. It depends on a number of factors, including your specific situation and Gemini's terms of service. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the things you need to know about Gemini and getting your money back. I'll also share some tips on how to avoid getting scammed by AI models like Gemini. So, if you're curious about getting your money back from Gemini, or if you're just looking to learn more about this new AI model, then stay tuned. Body. What is Gemini? Gemini is a new AI model from Google that's designed to be more powerful and versatile than previous AI models. It can be used for a variety of tasks, such as writing, translating, and coding. Gemini is still under development, but it's already being used by a number of companies and individuals. Some of the most common uses for Gemini include generating creative content, such as poems, stories, and scripts. Translating text and documents. Writing code. Answering questions. Providing customer support. How does Gemini work? Gemini is a large language model that's trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This allows it to learn how to generate text, translate languages, and write code. Gemini is still under development, so it's not perfect. However, it's already a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. Can I get my money back from Gemini? The answer to this question is not so simple. It depends on a number of factors, including your specific situation and Gemini's terms of service. Here are some of the things you need to know about getting your money back from Gemini. Gemini is a free service. There is no cost to use Gemini. Gemini does not offer refunds. If you are not happy with Gemini, you cannot get a refund. Gemini has a terms of service agreement that you agree to when you use the service. This agreement outlines your rights and responsibilities as a user of Gemini. If you believe that you have been scammed by Gemini, you can file a complaint with the Better Business Bureau or your local consumer protection agency. Here are some tips on how to avoid getting scammed by AI models like Gemini. Do your research before using an AI model. Read reviews and compare different AI models before making a decision. Be wary of promises that are too good to be true. If an AI model is promising you unrealistic results, it's probably a scam. Use common sense. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Getting your money back from Gemini is not always possible. However, there are a few things you can do to protect yourself from scams. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And remember, always do your research before using an AI model. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.